Customer Relationship Management (CRM) systems are not just vital sales tools, they offer serious business power. They're a central point for storing all your customers' data, emails, phone calls, visits, social media communication, web chat, sales progress, and deals can be recorded. A CRM is also the key to your business intelligence. You could ask questions of your data to inform product development. Use it to group prospects and target them with sales campaigns step by step. Automate marketing campaigns to encourage repeat business and win new customers through referrals. With CRM, this is your reality. 20 years ago, things were very different. The majority of businesses relied on spreadsheets to keep track of their customer interactions. CRM platforms like Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle, Salesforce, and SAP were very expensive and so limited to the largest companies. By 2004, open-source solutions like Sugar CRM began to appear. The price wars had begun. These new CRM systems were considerably cheaper to install, allowing access to business intelligence for everyone. CRM is constantly changing. For example, the need to track and report social media interactions. There is no doubt the speed of technical evolution is rapid. This is still happening. In 2017, cloud and API developers are driving through real mass adoption of CRM. They are making it accessible and affordable for all. For the first time, storing data and sharing it in a meaningful way across multiple systems is an option for any size of business. In this customer-focused world, CRM is king. Most CRM systems have a dashboard or interface that provide a snapshot of the information you need and then allows you to drill down for further analysis. For example, this could include key client information, sales and pipeline statistics, or marketing metrics. And whilst many systems can be tailored to meet specific business needs and processes, it is worth considering what you want to achieve before making a purchase. The three uses of CRM systems are operational, analytical, and collaborative. An operationally focused CRM system will usually include a Salesforce automation module to drive prospects to conversion and record all interactions. This reduces duplication of team effort and keeps customer communication seamless. A marketing automation module to deliver, track, and measure email and social media campaigns. Some have a scoring system for segmenting customers and retargeting. A service automation module that allows you to manage ticketing systems, help desks, and other customer service options you provide. Most CRM systems have some basic analytical tools built into them, but if you're looking to analyze data from multiple sources to make high-level commercial decisions, you may want something more sophisticated. Ask yourself what information you need to drive your business forward, and then check the provider is able to deliver this information in an intuitive way. For example, you may want to pull a data set of customers who used to purchase a product on a regular basis but no longer do. Why have they stopped? Would an offer help if it is a low-value item? Does this customer require a phone call? Do you want to receive automatic alerts for trigger points, or are you happy to interrogate the data yourself? The more analysis you intend to do, the more likely you should consider the analytically biased system. Collaborative systems work best for businesses who form part of a wider supply chain that need a cohesive approach. They can manage data sharing between companies at every point in the supply chain, so all parties can collectively drive continuous improvement and increase responsiveness to customer need. Because they are handling huge amounts of data, these are the most sophisticated CRM systems. Remember, there may be information suppliers need to keep confidential, and so permissions-based access will need to be a consideration. Start by listing what you need your system to do and what the roadblocks may be. Then ask your CRM supplier to match your needs and include training. Research from Bain & Co. is very convincing. Just a 5% increase in customer retention can boost lifetime customer profit by 50% on average across multiple industries. So, asking the right questions, tailoring the systems to your needs, and then training staff will reap dividends. Still need convincing? Imagine a customer calls your purchasing department to say, "I am new, but can we please place our normal order for this time of year?" Using your CRM system, you could see the previous contact's name and purchasing history and are able to respond, "Certainly. Has Jane left the organisation? Your August order has usually been for 35 units, but I notice that you often topped up with another 10 in September. If you order 45 units today, I can offer you a special price." Then you can capture the new contact's details and mark Jane as having left the company. If you're clever, you will have trained your staff to find out where Jane has moved to and flag her as a possible new business lead for the sales team to follow up on. CRM is not a silver bullet, but if used well, it certainly provides a golden opportunity. The key is to understand what you want to do, assign team champions, and then ensure everybody is on board and correctly records information. Your data is only as strong as it is clean, and your processes need to be well defined for you to benefit. Trusted brands you may have heard of include SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft, though the likes of HubSpot, Zoho, Sugar CRM, and Salesforce are built specifically for SMEs.